Bloom Hotel.
So this is a very lovely park. It's free.
Okay, so this is our room at the Bloom Hotel in the GK-1 in Delhi. And you know what? It's got 2 chairs, which has been awesome, and a table in front of a window to watch all the going-ons. You get the sunrise and you can see the moon, which is beautiful. Has a good sized bed. It's a soft bed, which I love. Not so much for Dean. Okay. Their aircon and fan worked really, really well. I love the mirror. And it has a bathroom, a good sized bathroom with a rain shower, which is good. And it comes with shampoo that was actually there. Here's the one thing, piece of advice. The hairdryer is not resident it doesn't stay in the hotel room. You have to ask for it. So you ask for it, they bring it up, sometimes you use it and they're phoning you to get it back. Just a note, to be aware if you want a hairdryer, just ask for it. Okay, so we've really enjoyed our stay. The people have been absolutely wonderful. Oh right, it came with, they put a fridge in for us. It has a sink, which is lovely, and of course it has a kettle, which we have lovely. And look at this beautiful, beautiful, I don't know if I can get the light on. Anyway, it's not on, but it's a beautiful fan. And we've enjoyed our stay. There's an elevator here. The staff is really helpful. The area, 5-minute drive away, a beautiful, beautiful park, which we'll show you. And we'll let you know how much this cost. Thank you so much.
So this is a park in Delhi. And because of my shoulder, I have one hand and can't balance well. And so this is a nice place to walk, and we were told even before my accident that I could run here because it wouldn't have traffic and you know, everything else that could cause a hazard. So this is a very lovely park. It's free, and even though it's nice and calm in here, I don't know if you can see it, but out there is lots of traffic.
So these trees, with this beautiful lady underneath, are called bottle brushes. And can you see why it's called a bottle brush tree? Lorianne can.
So when we were out the other day with friends in Delhi, they said, guess what these are called? And I'm like, bulrushes? Dean got it, but I didn't. And they called them bottle brushes, and they're beautiful. And we're at a park in Delhi. So if you're in Delhi and you're in this GK-1 area, it's a lovely park to go to.